Hi, my name is Mae. I am an Installation Coordinator here at Logan Services. What I do on a typical day is schedule your installation of your new heating and air system and make sure that we have the equipment in stock here to make sure we get the correct installation crew out to your home and get the heating and air up and rolling for you during any season. And what we do after your install is go ahead and process any utility rebates that you may qualify for, and we will go ahead and follow up about 2 weeks later, making sure that your installation went smoothly, and ask if you have any questions with us. We really appreciate all of our customers here at Logan Services, and we hope that you continue to use us in the future.